naimbag nga aldaw yun, naimbag nga labi oras, bighat nga dalaran datoy videos ko kapsat. Buyaan tayo dati ni may isang makapa kigtot nga revelasyon, ti may isang subsubaybayan tayo nga vlogger family, the Blackman family. Tignan po natin, panoorin po natin ang kanyang revelasyon.
I'm so sorry for seeing me like this today. I have been trying to find the right time when I'm gonna get a courage for me to post this one online. Anyway, Josh and I have separated. We're good friends. I just know that he is a good person. He is the best father that Jet and Nemo could ever have. Josh was the one who introduced me to Christian life again. He was the one who made me become like this. And without him, I'm just so lucky that Ja and Timo have him. We are gonna be co-parenting. To everyone out there who has supported the Blackman family, thank you so much. I'm so sorry. We have a lot of you guys who love us so much, who love the Blackman family so much. Thank you so much for all of the support that you have given us for the last 3 years. It's been amazing. It's been one of the best. Thank you for loving the Blackman family and for taking us in your lives.
Ayan. Sana nga prank lang po to, kahit hindi magandang prank na sinasabi po ng mga kapwa natin, content creator at fan din po ng Blackman family po. Pero kung totoo man po na sila ay hiwalay na, nasa magandang relasyon din pa rin naman pala sila, kasi nga co-parenting sila sa mga anak nila, at sana kung ano man po ang issue is maayos pa rin po nila. Yan. And supportahan pa rin po natin as a fan po ng Blackman family. Nakakalungkot lang, pero ganyan po talaga ang buhay, lalo na po hindi natin hawak ang mga kapalaran o tadhana ng bawat isa, bawat pamilya sa natin. Kaso, ayun nga lang, nakakalungkot. Kasi isa din po sila sa mga stress reliever natin. Yung bang, sila yung nakakapagbigay ng katuwaan, kaligayahan, ng ngiti sa mga ginagawa nilang content as a family po. Ayan, pray na lang po natin sila and pagpatuloy pa rin ang pag-support sa kanila, sa kanilang mga content, sa kanilang mga vlog. Ayun, God bless.